Hello, hello, everybody. I have a package here. Look, it says fragile, right? So this is one of my Facebook or Instagram finds. I don't remember which at this point. I found them one of those places. There's our toolkit. This was a company, like I said, popped up on Facebook or Instagram, and it's called Radiant Round DIY. Yeah, so I thought I would try it. Radiant Round DIY. I don't remember the measurements on this one. I do know that it was $25. It's a pretty good size. I did look around on the site for a while. As always, check her name's Heather. Okay, so I believe that what Heather does is she orders some kits and she has them in stock and she ships them right out to you. And it was pretty quick because she has them in-house wherever she lives, which I don't know where that is. But anyhow, I did hunt around, looks like Maine or Massachusetts, one of those two. Anyhow, I hunted around on the site. I checked, images to see if they were attached to artists, all that stuff. So anyhow, this is what I came up with. And I liked it. It's pretty. So here's her toolkit. You have a couple baggies in there, a white tray, some black plastic scissors, a pen, and wax. And there's a multi-placer in there, as you can see. See the little multi-placer in there? There you go. So that's what you get for the toolkit. All right. Okay. I don't know if this is poured glue or if it's tape. Nope, it's poured glue. Okay, awesome. So I'm going to roll it backwards here because it's poured glue. Yay. I was not sure what it was going to be when I ordered it. It's a, what I would call a stiffer oil canvas. Okay. Oh, there's another toolkit. Okay. Oh, this is not what I expected at all. This is not what I expected at all. Okay. Same toolkit. This is in crystals, and I did not expect crystals. I thought this was regular drills, but it's crystals. I'm gonna have to go back and check my order too, because she has regular round drills and then she has crystal kits, and I thought I ordered regular. So I'm gonna go back and check that. I mean, this is cool if it's crystals, but it's not what I thought I was getting. Here's the legend. Here's the picture. The Lighthouse. It has 32 colors. Legend's a little small. No inventory sheet or anything like that, but they're bagged. They're bagged by the number. I was going to say it's a DMC number, but they call it DMC on the canvas. I'm used to like the crystal number. I don't know. I'm definitely checking my order. I'll let you know what I find when I check my order, but this is what it looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. Very pretty. It is a 50 by 60. There is a legend up here too as well. It's 50 by 60. Let's see, is that the full 50 by 60? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's measure and see. It's pretty close. That's 59. 59 and a little bit, almost 59 and a half. So what's this? And that's almost 50. So it is pretty true to size. It's a very pretty image. Interesting though. Huh. I mean, I knew that she had crystal kits as well, but I get, a lot of crystal kits as it is, so I really wanted the, regular round drills, but it's sticky, it's poured glue, we've got bagged drills, all these pretty flowers here and the trees. Look at all the pink and purple sky. It's a very pretty image. I really liked it. I mean, it'll be beautiful in crystals, that's for sure. I mean, yeah, it looks good. They have a little guide circle. I'll show you up close. There's little guide circles, but they're not super dark. So I don't think they're going to show very much because they're really pretty light. They do have guide circles, but look at down here. It's all black lettering. So, I mean, when you get to some of these areas in the dark down here, I mean, they're still easy to see. They're very easy to tell what they are. I don't think it's really going to be a problem, even though they have dark symbols. Even like right here where it's the darkest color, I can still tell that those are hearts. There are a couple M's in there. This part will be the trickiest, that dark, dark color. It's really pretty, super pretty. Anyhow, let's look at some of the crystals. And maybe all of her images come both ways. I thought there was like one category that said crystal and one that said rounds. But then I did notice when I looked at some of the crystals, I did recognize them from the round category. So I think maybe they all come either way. Look at that one's trying to escape his baggie there. Purple. This is, okay, so this is black resin right here. Those are black resin, not crystal. Some pinks and reds. Here we have our selection of like champagne-y colors. That's what I call those. Red, green, yellow. This is a very, very light pink. Very light pink. A bunch of those. Probably that sky up there, right? Ooh, what is this one? Another pink. I bet you those are our, is it the same color? Yep, that's the same exact color. Okay, there's a ton of that. That's got to be back in the sky. All right, some pretty greens and teals. More greens and teals. They're very nice. I mean, they'll be a beautiful, beautiful painting when it's done, right? Pink, yellow, purple. And here's some bright green. That's pretty. Very pretty. I got an escapee. See, somebody got out of their bag. Somebody made it out. Somebody's trying to get out of this one. That's the thing with the bags. You have to just make sure you open these up. If you see them hanging out at the top, if I can get it open, come on. Just open up your little bag and they'll just fall right back in. But sometimes when they're bagging these, they get out of the little lip there. They close them up a little too quickly and some of them manage to get out. Just anyhow, very pretty. I mean, I like it. Has the number of the kit here so you can match it up. Yeah. Okay. Well, what do you think? I did see somebody unbox from them recently and they did get crystals. They got crystals and I thought, well, that's cool. They tried the crystals. I'm going to try the regular. Well, I'm going to contact her now and I'll get back with you and let you know what happened. Well, first let me check my order and then what's it say on the order here? 24 by 20. That's all it says. Round sunset lighthouse. 60 by 50. All right. I'm going to check into it and I'll let you know. I'm not going to complain. It's beautiful, but you know, we'll see. We'll see if it's what I ordered or not. And I'll get back with you. Okay. So just a little update to finish this video. I did email her and she got back with me and told me, no, it wasn't my mistake. Something happened on her end. It wasn't labeled properly or something, but this one was actually out of stock in the regular rounds. But she said, feel free to please go and find something else on her website that I would like in regular round drills, and she'll send that to me. So, yeah, she's got good customer service. She's making it right. So looks like you'll be seeing something else from them in the near future. So anyhow, I just wanted to give you an update. Thanks, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.